back, and we are back with another traditional hand-cut roof video. Just sort the camera out. Yeah, everybody always asks, I've been asking the last couple of weeks on my shorts, where's the videos? And we are back this week with a nice, simple, decent roof. It's on the, we basically took over an extension in Hale that another builder started, completely messed it up, but I'm not going to go into that because I don't really slag another tradesman's work off, but we had to basically take it all down and redo it. We're literally up to wall plate now in 8 days. We got a big basement flooring the other day as well, and we are now at a point where we're about to build the roof. It's a pitch roof, a nice roof, ceiling tied into it, 4 Velux windows, and it's got 2 crank steels that have been built in with the roof. So it is a really decent roof, and I'm actually looking forward to getting my teeth stuck into this today. It should take me 2 days to do. It's got a bit of a flat spot in this roof as well, which will make it look quite nice. And yeah, I'm actually looking forward to getting over there and getting my teeth stuck into it. The sun's out today, which is I think it's the change of the weather. So yeah, I'm actually looking forward to it. I'll see you when we get there and we'll go through it a bit more. You need to not let him see you on camera.
I know. When he's here, he won't even notice. What's that?
It's just like a pain in a minute.
He sees a video and go, fucking hell, you recorded that?
Right, so this is the job we're working on at the moment. As you can see, I've started to set out my plate, which goes into a ridge beam. 2 crank steels to work in between of these are 28 degrees each crank. So my rafters are 28 degrees. It's going to be open eaves. I've literally just set a spar either end. I've just strung, I don't know if you can see it, but I've strung my line all the way through to make sure it's all nice and flat. And we are literally now going to start cutting up some timber and get this set out. I've got a Velux centre of this part of the section of roof here. There's 2 Velux windows going here, and then I'm going to set 1 central to here. But we've had a busy week this week. We've got we started this extension a week ago. We've got all the brickwork up. Well, it's figured about 8 days now. We've got all this flooring. There's a big basement below us here. And if you can remember correctly, we did one a couple of months ago. We built the roof on that, which is, there's an hold up on the ridges that he wants because he wants them pineapples, so there's been a bit of a delay on that. So he's put that on pause while he gets this side of the house done. So yeah, it's going to be a good one. Ready? You pull in.
Yeah.
Stop that. Just gonna wall plate. It's about straight as mine now, isn't it? Yeah? No. To you? Hang on. That should be you, that now. Yeah? Do you want to put a screw in that before I let go? So that's got a tip, that's fully sat in a bit there, that's why it goes out, isn't it? On there. Trying to. Template this. Right, so that's us done for today. We've pretty much got one full side complete. Basically up to ready for a barge board going on. We'll be back here tomorrow or Monday to build the other side, which is basically, as I said earlier on, is a 20-degree pitch roof going into a flat roof. So I'm going to show you now. Let's just spin the camera around, show you where we got on to, and show you what we've got to do tomorrow. So as you can see now, we've got all the ceiling in. We've got all the roof spars in. Originally it was supposed to have 4 veluxes, one here, one here, one here, and one there. But the veluxes didn't work to the customer's kitchen design, so we got rid of them. We'll be back here tomorrow. I'm going to put a wall plate on here, and then we're going to build this section of roof which goes into a pitch here, and it goes into a flat roof here, just basically so it's not lower than that steel. But yeah, that's us done for today, and we'll be back here tomorrow. Right guys, so that roof is now complete over in here. Well, it's not fully complete, but that's us done there now for till the steel arrives, basically. But I was going to go in tomorrow and basically prop the wall plate in the air and let the brickies build underneath the wall plate, but I don't like doing stuff like that, so I'm going to wait for the steel to arrive. Then what I'll do is I'll get our Wayne back to go back. He can throw the brickwork up to the wall plate and bed the wall plate on for me, because it's already cut up on site. And yeah, when I get back there, I'll throw that small section of roofing on. It'll take me a couple of hours, but that roof went from having a couple of veluxes into having nothing, so it's quite simple really. A nice roof to do, just like basically like a lean-to roof. But yeah, again, that's another roof complete. We are on another roof next week in Droylsden. It's quite a big roof. It's got a valley rafter, a couple of herps, a floating herp, 2 ridges. So there is a lot of decent work on this next roof. So if you want to stay tuned for that, guys, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you all on the next video. Thank you. Oh, sorry, before I go, I'm sorry the videos are a bit short and not coming out consistently. We are going to try getting back onto them. We're doing full weekly vlogs. It's just been a bit hectic at the moment. I'm trying to camera and edit myself, which is pretty much a full-time job. But yeah, we are going to get back onto it, and I promise there will be weekly videos coming. So again, guys, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video.